Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here, and today I'm going to be showing you on how to fix the problem with the 2008 Ducati headlights. And the relays are going to be located underneath the front fairing. Slide the windscreen out. There we go. And it should come right out fairly easy. Now that we get it out, the whole front fairing cover slides right out. So here's the part. It's going to be the front relay. So we're going to go ahead and remove the relay out. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it. So let's go ahead and pull it apart. Alright, so here is the part number for the new relay. It's going to be a 12 volt at 20 amp relay, 4 pin. Install the relay in its place from where the old one was. So just go ahead and install it back in. Push it up until it almost reaches this plastic and grab our fairing and go ahead and put it onto the bike. Turn. So there you guys have it, the low beam headlight. Now let's go ahead and put the high beam. And there is the high beam. So that pretty much was it. That was on how to repair and replace the headlight relay